So now let's see how we can work around with library images inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So if I want to add in an image, I can go up over here onto the bottom right here onto my image menu, and here you can see that library image is an option right here. So library image simply means that you can open up image stored in your computer. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my Dropbox, and then let me just go around into images, and if I want to insert out an image, I can select it out and press open, and then you can see that the image is opened up. I can the image right here, resize the image and pull this up to rotate it out as well. And I can go ahead and then lock this to background, as you can see right here as well. You can right click right here and then unlock this out by clicking on this icon. And you can copy this out. You can right click and paste the image out over here as well. You can cut the image out as well and then paste it out over here as well. And similarly, you can see that you can add an alternative text right here for readers, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with library image inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.